Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Caro Coco Coffee Roasters, and today I'm gonna show you how do we do cupping. So yesterday I had a roasting done at my facility, so we did some new roast on this machine, and now it's been almost 24 hours. We'll try this coffee and I'll let you know how do we do cupping. It is a very basic start, so you any barista in a cafe, it can start with this cup which is used for cupping, and I will be taking around 10.3 grams of coffee. Basically, cupping is used to evaluate the taste of coffee, and this is the first parameter which we do when we roast our coffees. It is used to evaluate the coffee, the flavor, and everything. So we are using SCA parameters. Over here, SCA is basically Specialty Coffee Association. Over here, I am using water temperature as 92. We have set our grind size to medium fine, and I have taken almost 10.3 grams of coffee. I'll grind this coffee now. Yeah, so here is the grinded coffee. I'll put it here. Yeah, so basically the first step of the cupping is to have your grounds, coffee grounds. We'll smell this coffee. We'll see, what is the, uh, uh, the fragrance, and then we'll add some water. So before that, I'll smell the coffee. So this coffee has lot of fruity notes. Now I'll add some water in this, okay, and we'll start the timer. So my water is at 92°C, and at approximately 4 minutes we'll break the crust. I'll show you what is that step is. I'll start it and we'll fill it. So do it as fast as you can because it doesn't need any. Yeah. So we are approaching almost 4 minutes now. Once 4 minutes, at the time of 4 minutes, I'll start breaking the crust and I'll show you how we do it. So far, coffee smells very good. We have very fruity and floral fragrance along with the very nutty aroma. And now we'll evaluate the coffee by tasting the coffee, and I'll show you how I taste the coffee, what exactly the body of the coffee is, how. So in basically the cupping, we evaluate the acidity, body, sweetness, aftertaste of the coffee, and according to cupping, we adjust our roast profile. It's time to break the crust now, so I'll show you how to break a crust. So we'll do one. So this coffee is very sweet, and I'm really impressed with this coffee. This coffee has, a bit winey, fermented, fruity taste. I kind of like the acidity of the coffee. It's very bright. So when the coffee hits your palate and you feel like sparkling, it means it has bright acidity. Coffee has a really good acidity. It has a very subtle aftertaste. So far, identified any defect in this roast, and it has a very settled aftertaste. It has a very bright acidity. It has a lot of sweetness. The sweetness is very similar to the fermented fruits, which I was really expecting. So this coffee has, I have stretched the Maillard for almost 4.5 minutes in this coffee, and the development time is about the DTR is about 24%, 24 to 25%. And as the temperature cools down, the sweetness remains the same. Acidity remains the same as the coffee cools down. Yep. No harshness, no pungent flavors. There is nothing which gives me an uh, break of taste. It's really nice.